Welcome to RiskVal's Pre-trade Analytics platform. This standalone application is used by over 300 portfolio managers and traders worldwide to identify good trading opportunities, manage the risk, and find the best hedges across the fixed income market. There are over 200 trading strategies and sheets designed to help you find opportunity. You can see that the system is set up to cover G30. And within each currency, we can handle the interest rate swap market, bond lists, futures, vol, and a lot of exotic instruments within the more liquid spaces. Behind all of the analytics is a massive database that's maintained by RiskVal every day. And throughout the application, you can quickly access this historical data anytime you see a cell with a light blue triangle. So for bond yield data, I can double click to see the history, and I can export any data to Excel or simply copy paste to analyze it. The beauty of RiskVal's historical data is the breadth of derived data that we use to support trading decisions. So for example, in the government bond space, I'm currently looking at the US Treasury market, and this applies to all of the markets that we're looking at. Not only do we have match maturity asset swap, par asset swap, and Z-spread, all with historical data, we also calculate and store the history for 3-month asset swap carry and roll down. So you could see how much you can earn by holding any of these properly hedged strategies today and compare it to the historical pickup. If I go into the IRS space, I have historical data on the entire forward matrix, calculated to standard dates, forward IMM dates, on all the different indices that are going to trade in the market, as well as term basis and cross-currency basis. All this data is only useful if you can transform it into strategies that work for you. So we have multiple strategy monitors that allow you to build trades, including spreads and butterflies, with custom weights available, including regression and PCA, and then allow you to quickly compare different strategies to each other. So I can see the rich and cheap performance, I can see the technical analysis, and I can see regressions against common instruments such as the 210 curve, commodity futures like gold and oil, and performance against the equity market. Our historical data includes vol, realized vol that you can calculate on the fly, the annual vol ratio between them, and even vol skew history, which we receive from multiple dealers. And all of this data you can double click to analyze historically and build trading strategies such as reversals. All of the live data is fully flexible and configurable by each trader. So the live euro-dollar and interest rate swap levels are coming in from your local Bloomberg terminal. And we only need the input data, and we build the entire model internally to improve the calculation efficiency and granularity. When it comes to the LIBOR curve, there's a lot of detail to manage, including the convexity, including how do you want to build the short end of each curve and how do you want to treat the basis. And there's a lot of detail in the pricing source available, which you've helped simplify over time and over the last 20 years working with traders, hunting for the best market data that's available to you already. So after almost 2 decades of dealing with the minutiae of accurate pricing in the market, our goal is to simplify all of this and hide it in the back end of the system. So when you're trading on opportunities, you only need to focus on the numbers that matter to you. We have fantastic graphics available that are very responsive and help you to focus on the part of the market that you're looking at. So I can look at the 3-5 sector and see what are the best trades on the Z-spread perspective, the cheapest and the richest bonds over the last 5 days or 10 days. In the listed options space, we can compare any contract to a saber-smile. So I can take a look at TYH9 and load in any number of liquid options to compare it and find where the vol is trading above or below the model. We can help you find the best call or put spread strategies and quickly transition them into a different sheet that allows you to monetize the trade, construct a delta neutral strategy, reveal all of the Greeks, see the hedge, and analyze the horizon PNL and Greeks with all the tables below and all the graphs available for you here. We have trading strategies like this across the entire liquid rate space, meant to simplify and help you find the best trades, whether it's the rich cheap analysis on the calendar roll that's happening right now in the market, tracking all the different curves and butterflies with customized weights. You can even use different butterfly generator functions to quickly analyze the entire long end of the market and generate the proper hedge. If you've seen anything interesting here in the last 5 minutes, please request a demo so we can show you our functionality for your trading strategies. We've had the pleasure and the honor to work with some of the smartest traders across the buy side and the sell side over the last 20 years, and we treat everyone very closely so we can help tailor the solution to your needs, and it would be a pleasure to work with you too. Thank you.